Let's talk about lynx then.
Okay, well, the first thing to say is that, again, the argument, such as it is, tends to be around large carnivores or apex predators, as they're called. And wolves, lynx, and bears get lumped into the same argument. Lynx and wolves are very, very, very different animals. And again, I think it's telling that they do get lumped together with wolves, because actually most people know very, very little about lynx. They're very shy, secretive, medium-sized cats. They're ambush hunters. They're not pack animals. They're socially isolated. They have huge ranges. If you had, I don't know, let's say for the sake of argument, 100 lynx in Scotland today, the number of actual sightings on a daily or weekly basis would be virtually zero. They're very, very elusive.
That's their whole point, right? They're hiding. This is their life history strategy. They just pretend they're not there.
Yeah, exactly. Whereas wolves, they're pack animals, they're social animals. They hunt in a very, very different way. Lynx need woodland. They're ambush hunters. They need cover to ambush their prey. They have quite a specific diet. They feed predominantly on medium-sized deer. In Scotland, that would be predominantly roe deer and red deer calves and hinds. And they just go about their business in a very, very secretive way. So, the discussion around wolves is a very separate discussion to that around lynx. And they will have an impact on livestock. There's no doubt about that. There will be, so to speak, casualties as a result of lynx. The question is, at a societal level, is that a price worth paying? Is that too high a price, or is it a price worth paying? And I think the answer to that, to some degree, depends on when you're talking about bringing lynx back. Because at the present time, there is an argument to say sheep that, predominantly sheep that graze near woodland are at risk. I think that's a valid argument from a sheep farmer's point of view. There are extreme cases in Norway where sheep are extensively grazed in forest, where there are significant casualties as a result of sheep, as a result of lynx. But for the most part in the UK, sheep are grazed in open pasture. And once they're in open pasture, as is borne out by experiences in other countries, they're pretty safe from lynx. Lynx do not hunt across large areas of open ground. Lynx come with a certain degree of baggage, nowhere near the amount of baggage that wolves come with. So it is if we're talking about large predator reintroduction, it's a much more sensible, pragmatic option at this stage. And there are opportunities around lynx, of course, as much as anything else. So but fundamentally, and the argument you put forward about islands and the need to physically bring animals back is very valid, and is equally valid for lynx as it is wolves. It's a major psychological obstacle to overcome, to physically pick an animal up and bring it somewhere, and all the media storm that would go with that, than an animal effectively slipping over a border into a new country. So the fact of the matter is that there are now lynx, wolves and bears living in every mainland European country. Britain, or Great Britain, or the collective islands of Great Britain and Ireland are part of only a very, very small handful of countries refusing to live with lynx. It isn't that we can't. There is plenty of food. There is plenty of habitat. It is that we won't. Right now, we won't. And I would argue that, just put the ecological considerations aside and look at the morality of that, how can we reasonably expect India to live with tigers, Africa to live with lions, Europe to live with wolves, bears and lynx, and we refuse to accommodate them here?